The Pacific Ocean, secrets beneath the endless blue. The Pacific Ocean, the largest body of water on Earth, covers more space than all the continents combined. From its surface, it appears boundless, an endless horizon of blue. Yet beneath its waves lies a hidden world more mysterious than any land, a realm of immense trenches, volcanic ridges, and ecosystems that challenge our understanding of life itself. Here lies the Mariana Trench, the deepest scar on our planet, plunging nearly 11 kilometers into the Earth. Hydrothermal vents, like underwater chimneys, release boiling, mineral-rich waters that nurture strange, luminous creatures thriving without sunlight. Vast abyssal plains stretch like silent deserts, where life depends on the slow rain of organic matter drifting from above. The Pacific is also home to giants and legends, from colossal squids that dwell in the darkness to whales navigating ancient migration routes. It is a place where survival takes the form of mystery, where every dive reveals a new species, a new story, a new fragment of the unknown. To speak of the Pacific is to speak of the last frontier. It is not only the ocean that shapes our climate and cultures, but also a living archive of Earth's history, and a window into its future. What other secrets lie hidden in its depths? The journey to uncover them has only just begun.